In this video, you will learn step by step how you can create a new business email inside Hostinger. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Hostinger, log into our account, and then go over to the left-hand sidebar here from the homepage. Scroll down until you see the option for emails. So as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this one, so at howtoonline.org. You can then click on Manage. Click on Create Mailbox, and then from here you want to enter in your email name. So for me, I will put in Ryan, so my email name would now be ryan@howtoonline.org. You then want to enter in a new password, and then once you enter in a new password, just simply click on Create. And then once we click on Create, you can then select Skip. And then as you can see, this has now been created, and then you can open up your mailing box by clicking on this arrow here, which will then open it up, and then you can then log in. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a business email for free on Hostinger.